Do you need reservations here, sir?
Oh, there.
What's that?
The other side.
Oh, the other side? I'll do it in person.
What?
On the other side?
Yes, please.
Okay, cool. And do I do it in person? Call ahead.
I'm sorry?
You said call ahead?
You can call.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
There's a
Yeah, I know, because it's all like closed because of the damn quarantine or whatever.
exactly. The Nosh of Beverly Hills
Nosh of Beverly Hills.
is really good.
Sandwiches.
Yeah, but it's all like organic.
Oh.
So, yeah,
Okay.
pretty good.
Thanks, man.
Of course.
What's that?
We close at 6 o'clock.
So up until 6, I can come up. Up until 6?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And do I just pay with you, or is it?
Bring the car.
Get in the car. I pay from the car,
What do you mean?
or do I pull up in the car and then I?
Bring the car. Bring the car and park it.
Okay, cool. Awesome. Thanks, man.
They have to.
Oh, what were you saying? Mexicans that way?
Yeah.
Do we need a reservation here by any chance?
Go around the corner and your right hand side, sir.
And do I have to talk directly to the person in order to make the reservation? Or?
Yes, to the host inside. To the host inside. Go
Host
ahead.
inside? Okay, cool. Pretty good?
Yeah, it was good.
Getting some cooking in or whatever? Oh, yeah. Is it pretty chill?
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Getting some waiting in? I dig the vibes here. It seems like good energy, like bustling and stuff. Have you by chance ever eaten here by any? I've never smiled. Is that cool if I sit with you?
Into the hostess and you can put your name.
Is that cool if I sit with you, man? Or he wants the shrimp.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Is
How are you?
Oh, pretty good.
Good, nice
Oh
to
yeah. How y'all doing? You too.
Good, thank you.
Do you need reservations to be here? Okay, so I gotta call ahead. I just didn't want you to miss it. Did you drop it?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, do you know any good like dispensaries around here for weed? For like weed or any kind of good weed?
Dispensary?
Oh yeah, just any kind of good weed or whatever.
You can download the weed map.
Is it like Uber where the closest person with weed?
So you see, this is
So it's like okay, dope, and that's like all the places with weed or whatever.
yeah.
And you just kind
download
of.
it. You can see it.
You said weed maps?
Weed maps.
Weed maps. All right, man. I'll try that.
I've been buying weed off.
What's that?
I've been buying weed off niggas walking around.
You guys don't know any dispensaries or whatever? No. Because I'm not from around. I'm from like Florida.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, Joe.
517.
517. You know any good dispensaries around here? No.
Cookies not far from here.
Where's Cookies at? How do you?